Hello guys, let's make together baked chicken and potatoes. So I remember an incident that happened while I was a child. It was during the Christmas season. It happened that every Christmas we usually have a large crowd in our house then, and my mom with my cousins and every other person around would be in the kitchen almost all day on Christmas Day, cooking, marrying, laughing, celebrating generally. So on this particular Christmas day, my mom had already gotten the live chicken that we're going to use. She put it in the backyard, about 5 of them that we're going to slaughter, because we're also going to distribute food around the neighborhood, share to people and all of that. So she already bought them. So early in the morning, my older cousins have woken up really early to process the chicken. With the younger ones, we're only for running errands and doing the little stuff around the house. Okay, so on this day, they've already processed all the chicken, and my mom has started cooking it. My mom believes so much in using meat stock or chicken stock, so you would always find chicken stock in our freezer most times. But on this particular day, and I can't blame her, because the juice from the chicken would actually is everything you need. It's called liquid gold. If you know, you know. So she was looking forward to using the liquid gold for her jollof rice that day. So she bought the chicken as always with my other cousins. They did all of that and everything was sorted. So still in the spirit of running errands, as little as I was, I was trying to get everything in order alongside my other cousins and siblings. So mind you, the chickens were already cooked. The liquid gold my mom has already put in a bowl in a corner, because I think she believes that is what will make a jollof to jollof. Okay, so one of my cousins asked me, Jumi, can you help me get a bowl in the kitchen so I can cut this fried rice ingredients into? So I ran into the kitchen looking for a bowl for my cousin, and I couldn't find any. Most of the ones I could find were already used. No one to wash them. I didn't want to be the one to start washing the dishes. I looked around. Then in a corner, I saw this dirty water in a bowl. I'm wondering, oh, okay, this is just one bowl. I could just throw it out and quickly wash it and give it to my cousin. Lo and behold, it was my mother's liquid gold. Hey, my mother's liquid gold. I didn't know. I poured it in the basin and I washed the bowl and gave it to my cousin. But one thing I realized while throwing the stock away is that I noticed that it was oily. So I was saying to myself, why is this oily? Why is it so oily like this? Before I could say another word, my mom was already in the kitchen. She was ready to make jollof rice, and then she started looking for the liquid gold for the chicken stock. She had to call everybody to say, oh, she kept it right here and she can't find it. It was then it dawned on me that I already poured it away. I poured a chicken stock away. Our dearest liquid gold. I couldn't hear the last of it that day. It was brutal. Funny enough, she didn't even punish me, but she was so hungry. I guess because we're in the spirit of Christmas, she didn't want to punish anyone. But then I avoided her all day. I made sure that our eyeballs did not meet, and I wasn't in her way. And thank God the whole house was full, so she didn't have the time to say, oh, this girl. But then I think she also learned one thing, that because the rice we ate, the jollof rice she made that day was still spot on. It was really nice, even without the chicken stock. So I think she learned that she can actually make a jollof rice even without the stock, and it will come out in a nice way. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Till I come your way next time. Bye-bye.